name's Jason. I'm going to teach you how to kickflip.
That counts.
Butt position. Front foot. Put it right smack right there. No, when you're landing, you put them like right there. Your back foot right on the tippy top. As you progress in learning these tricks, move them up a little higher and a little farther. You want to stop once after you get them really good. This is the time you're going to want to stop moving them forward when they're about at the end of the board at least, and when they're behind the bolts. That's when you need to stop. So after you practice this trick, you're going to learn how to make them go like that and then tweak them. Eventually get them super high and you'll be able to do them like nothing. So once you get them really good, easiest shit for you, like this.
And that's how you kickflip.